Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world's most beautiful destinations. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the breathtaking Phi Phi Island in Thailand. With its turquoise waters, limestone cliffs, and pristine beaches, Phi Phi Island is a true paradise on Earth. In this video, we'll show you the top 10 things to do in Phi Phi Island, so you can plan your perfect vacation. Visit Maya Bay. Our first stop is Maya Bay, the iconic beach made famous by the movie, The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. Surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and crystal-clear waters, this beach is truly a sight to behold. Although it can get crowded, it's still a must-visit spot on the island. Snorkel in Shark Point. For those who love the underwater world, Shark Point is a must-visit spot. Here you can snorkel and swim with blacktip reef sharks and a variety of colorful fish. Don't worry, the sharks are harmless and make for an unforgettable experience. Hike to the viewpoint. For a breathtaking view of the island, hike to the Phi Phi viewpoint. It's a bit of a climb, but once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with stunning views of the island and its surroundings. It's a great spot to watch the sunrise or sunset. Relax on Long Beach. Long Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches on the island. With its soft sand, clear waters, and stunning scenery, it's the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun. You can rent a beach chair or even take a beach massage while you're there. Visit Monkey Beach. Monkey Beach is a secluded spot on the island, accessible only by boat. Here you can see playful monkeys in their natural habitat, swinging from tree to tree. It's a fun and unique experience, but be sure to keep your belongings safe from these curious creatures. Take a boat tour. Phi Phi Island is surrounded by beautiful islands and turquoise waters, so taking a boat tour is a must. You can explore hidden coves, snorkel in secluded spots, and even see the famous Viking cave. Go kayaking. Another great way to explore the island's natural beauty is by kayaking. You can rent a kayak and paddle your way through the clear waters, taking in the stunning scenery at your own pace. Try local cuisine. Thai cuisine is known for its bold flavors and delicious spices. Don't leave Phi Phi Island without trying some local dishes like pad thai, tom yum soup, or green curry. You can find these dishes at local restaurants and food stalls around the island. Watch a fire show. At night, the island comes alive with fire shows. You can watch locals perform daring stunts with fire poi and fire ropes, while music plays in the background. It's a fun and exciting way to end the day. Party at the beach clubs. Finally, for those who want to party, the beach clubs on Phi Phi Island are the place to be. With their lively music, colorful cocktails, and beachfront location, you can dance the night away under the stars. That's it for our top 10 things to do in Phi Phi Island. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your next vacation. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration.